Pratik. All of us are so unique.
We learn with fun in many ways, but teachers like on us always.
KID with a Z-E-E. Kitsy brings out the best in me. KID with a Z-E-E. Kitsy brings out the best in me. We sing and dance, we paint and play. Kitsy helps our talent find its way.
Beyond this, we grow alright. Wear your shades, our tomorrow is bright.
KID with a Z-E-E. Kitsy brings out the best in me. KID with a Z-E-E. Kitsy brings out the best in me.
नाम अंदर है
वही छोड़ना है क्या?
नहीं आप बैठ जाओ ना शिवांशी मम्मा पास जाना नहीं ना बैठो मम्मा
कल चालू हुआ था ना?
नहीं परसों से
अबे कल वही सुबह हुए ना चालू हुआ है। कल कमाई 5 लाख 6 लाख रुपया इसे कमावा था मात्र 5,000 के पेट्रोल में। करोड़पति लखपति ना बने तो क्या बने? कुंभ की तरफ
नहीं हो
अरे
कुंभ तो हर फलिए लगा
अब ई की मालूम है
नहीं कुंभ लगा 12 साल के
नहीं ई 5 साल के 12 साल के लड़का 12 साल
12 साल के 28 साल के का और
ये वाला जो है
माघी तो हर साल में पड़ता है।
Safe in day-to-day life. And in this era of safe Uttar Pradesh Police deserves a great appreciation. I feel proud to have as our honorable guest among us. Excuse me. Sitting right in front of us, Circle Officer of Local Intelligence Unit, LIU Kashi, Shri Satanand Pandey Sir, Shri Dayasankar Singh, the keeper of our Baba Kal Bhairav, the Kotwal of Kashi, Shri Ganesh Sir of Uttar Pradesh Police, LIU Kashi, Center Head of Kidji Center Natingdi, Mr. Sonal Sahai, Coordinator of Kidji Center Natingdi, Mrs. Anupam Sahai. On behalf of Kidji Center Natingdi, I welcome all parents, grandparents, जिसमें कि दादाजी, दादी जी, नाना जी, नानी जी, चाचा, चाची, मामा, मामी, भैया, भाभी, आप सभी का स्वागत है। To one and all, welcome to the heart of Varanasi, Kabir Chowla, India's cultural jewel at the historic 115 years old Nagri Natak Mandali Auditorium. In the galaxy of such great audience, कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ करते हैं आज द बिगनिंग ऑन द थीम ऑफ इंद्रधनुष अ रेनबो जर्नी विद किड्जी सेंटर नाटिंगली सेलिब्रेटिंग 15 ग्लोरियस ईयर्स। भारत हमारा एक इंद्रधनुष की तरह है। 7 कलर्स ऑफ जॉय फ्रॉम फेरी रेड पैशन टू सेरेन वॉयलेट विजडम एंड आवर टाइनी डॉट्स एजेड 2.5 to 5 years are the artists painting it alive. Dear parents, guardians, friends and relatives of our bonfire stars, you are in for Desi magic. Get ready for a chuk chuk train chugging through Bharat's landscape. Chhatkas with Dakshin Bharat के swagger. Remember गांधी जी के 3 बंधन. See no evil, hear no evil and speak no evil. We will spotlight this modern mischief, those sneaky mobile phones. Watch our gentleman thoughts in tiny chairs. Khan of a soulful Qawwali in a Sufiana andaz, Wah Ustad Wah, the Qawwali master. And don't miss the fairy Lavani dance straight from Maharashtra's folk heart. A special shout out to our ex-students returning to play school. Ex-students का बचपन वापस आया है. Ex-students तो shine back in their ex-environment. I shall fail in my duty if we do not seek blessings of our seniors who are definitely watching us as they are heavenly above. अपने देवी और देवताओं का आशीर्वाद के साथ mention of our Dadaji, late SP Sahai and late Avi Sahai sir, who are, I would say, invisibly present here with us. Their contribution will always be remembered in the history of Kidzi Center Natimli as we celebrate our 15th year of service. Service in, as we say, in building human capital. As I gather here from my school's management that the first vision of our seniors after relocating in Varanasi was to open a school. I would mention that हमारे लेट दादाजी की वाइफ लेट इंदु सहाय जी had a degree of MA B.Ed in 1965. She had desire to serve the society by beginning a school for kids in the year 2000. But better late than never. It was in 2010 that this vision came true, and the catalyst was a person who has been a torch bearer of modern education in Varanasi. And she is amongst us in the high table, and she is Mrs. Anjana Deva ma'am, who played a maximum role in establishing our Kidzi Center Natimli. Please clap for her. Mrs. Anjana Deva ma'am, Dr. Preeti Mona ma'am, Shri Ganesh sir, Mrs. Anupam ma'am, Mr. Sonal sir. Tamso Ma Jyotirgamay. This sacred Vedic month that literally translates to lead me from darkness to light. I would like to do a word-by-word breakdown of Tamso Ma Jyotirgamay. Tamso means from darkness or ignorance. Ma means me, and Jyotir means light, knowledge and wisdom. Gamay means lead, guide, make me go towards. The same resonates in Persian as Zulmat Be Noor, and in Japanese language as Yami Tara Hikari E. Tamso Ma Jyotirgamay. the core desire to seek knowledge, wisdom and inner transformation and to discard ignorance and negativity is a sentiment that transcends cultural and religious boundaries. The sentiment of the mantra is universal. Lead me from darkness to light. Thank you, sir and ma'am. I would now request our center head of our branch Kidzi Center, Mr. Sonal Sahai sir, to say a few lines as a welcome speech. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have Sonal sir. Sir, please come on the stage.
Good evening, everybody. Namaste from Kidzi Center. Though we had some teachers and starting was a bit slow and disturbed, now we have kicked off. So I think we're all ready to share for this 15-year celebration of our center, Kidzi Center, Nagari. This is our daily affair. We face such kind of things every day. कुछ नया नहीं है हमारे लिए, रोज ऐसा होता है.
दो को नहीं संभाल रहे, आपको दो को कैसे बाहर किया?
वो देखो पापा है.
As Tanmay told that after relocating to Varanasi, it was our dream for a school, but somehow it didn't happen, and Anjana ma'am prompted us that we established one, and it was a very interesting story. We were not interested, but she forced us and she said, no, you have to do it, and we did it, and it is now 15 years, grand 15 years. So thank you, Anjana ma'am. And see what we are doing, what we just saw over here, it is our daily affair, and it is very difficult for us to understand what he needs. It is not his problem, he is natural. We have to learn his requirement, and then we need whatever is required. And every child has a different say. Our experience is like boys need more attention, and girls are very apt in adapting to the new environment, and they don't need that much of attention. But some boys, they do require. Not taking much of your time, what kids say is like spoiling hands, wiping of tears, and all new discoveries on their own. We don't stop kids that we are not doing good, we are doing bad. Whatever they do on their own, they are allowed to do. Of course, it is a controlled environment, but with the tools and teaching aids we have, kids get to explore. And what the pedagogy of kids is like, now we started with idiom, now we are having pantomime, where the psychology of the child is studied, and then based on his individuals, it is all different intelligences that every child has. It is not that the 100% child is kinesthetic or is intuitive or interactive or intrapersonal or extrapersonal. But it is a dash of, it is some percentage of everything with every child. We need to, and then this intelligence can be developed also. So what we are doing is, we are exposing a child to different intelligences. Like touch, you will find some child, like pulling your dress, mama, you're not listening to it. But actually, he is a kinesthetic child. He needs a physical kind of thing every time. If he play with pencil, fiddling with pencil, moving his pencil every time, moving around. Even if he is reading, he is moving around, scrolling from one corner to the other corner. And if you say पढ़ रहे हो या घूम रहे हो, no, it is not like that. वो चल रहा है तो उसके दिमाग में जा रहा है. So never stop. If he is saying I am comfortable with that, no. आपने देखा होगा many people like गाना सुनते हुए they study. That is because it is their innate character, it is innate property of their teens that they can study while listening to music. They are musical kind of child. So this is what we analyze and study, and our workbooks, if you see our workbooks, they are all based on the intelligence of a child. So if it is like, we start with big strokes, small strokes that we control, it is within a line that the kid has to make his coloring. Some people say I'm coloring all karate. That is basically we want to free the fingers, the fine motors, we want to free that. So it is a very unique path which Kitsi gives us and we practice it. So this is on our annual function on the theme of rainbow in the Dhanush. This is something we have added in the Dhanush. Earlier it was our theme only. So what you will see here is different shades of India, different shades of our child. Thora years already हो चुका है, peeping out of kids from the curtain backstage में, they are just bustling into show. So not taking much time. I like to call Anupam and we will declare the annual function open. Please come. We declare the annual function as open. Please clap. Thank you.
Now that the annual function is officially declared open, I request honorable guests and dignitaries and parents in the audience to please stand up for the Z anthem followed by our national anthem. Please stand up for that. School education in Varanasi to greater heights. She was associated with the Aryan International School, Mount Literacy School and Crimson World School. A postgraduate in English with international educational background. Combined with strong interpersonal skills, she has always been a perfect mentor to both the students and teachers, alike in the last decade. What sets her apart from other school leaders is her personal interaction and involvement with each learner under her care. She truly believes in leading by example. Now, I would like to invite our honorable guest, Ms. Anjana Deva ma'am, CEO of Crimson World School, to address the august audience. Ma'am, please come on the stage.
Good afternoon to everyone present here in the hall, the parents, the little stars of today's evening who are here to perform and to enthrall all of you with what they have practiced. I can hear the sound from them, their cheers and their nervousness, their cries, and above all, many of them are very anxious, waiting eagerly, and must be wondering why this lady is talking so much. But let me tell you, first of all, heartiest congratulations to Kidzi Central for the glorious 15 years. I may have been instrumental in getting them to initiate Kidzi Central, but it was their complete hard work, focus, and the zeal which has made Kidzi Central complete 15 years of existence. And today from this platform, I wish them many more such benchmarks and milestones. Dear parents, thank you for trusting Kidsy, because a child needs two hands to be lifted, one by the stool and one by the parents. If both these hands hold the child properly, holds the child together, the child is bound to go high. And let me tell you, today's generation is called Gen Z. And your child is coming back. So kid plus Gen Z makes it Kidsy, so your child is at an absolute right place. But don't stop your children from doing anything. I've always believed, give the children space and you won't realize what is the potential they have. Today's child has greater knowledge, is more wise. Trust me, they are wiser than we were when we were children. And they are great multitaskers. So do not say things कि एक बच्चा कितना करेगा. आपको अंदाजा भी नहीं कि वो बच्चा कितना कर सकता है. Don't set limits to a child. करने दीजिए, नहीं कर पाएगा at the most, but nothing beyond it. Let your child think, let your child explore, let your child dream. Kidsy has always been a great feeder school for Crimson World School, and today I have children who came in the first year. Today we have the students from Kidsy Central who are studying with us in class 11. So they have shown great performances, they have performed well in all the areas because the foundation here at Kidsy Central was a very strong one. And I believe that when you make a decision for a good K-12 school, which encompasses all the avenues for your child's development, do not forget to get in touch with the main stakeholders of Kidsy who will guide you what your child needs. As Mr. Sonal Sahai said, we have to let each child carve his or her own path, carve his or her own future. कोई भी दो बच्चे एक जैसे नहीं होते, हर बच्चा अलग होता है. आज के समय में बच्चा सिर्फ अच्छे मार्क्स लाए ये बिल्कुल भी जरूरी नहीं है. Trust me, academics form only 20% of a child's future and personality. 80% are his interpersonal, intrapersonal and communication skills. And these skills are very important to be developed properly, judiciously, giving the child the exposure in sports, extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities, communication areas, various platforms, and then you will see how your child will bloom into a fantastic child. मेरे पास बहुत से पेरेंट्स आके कहते हैं कि मैम इसके कजिन्स दिल्ली बॉम्बे रहते हैं, जब वो बोलते हैं या जब वो रहते हैं हमें लगता है हमारे बच्चे इतने स्मार्ट नहीं हैं. आप इतने छोटे बच्चों से इतनी सारी एक्सपेक्टेशन कैसे करते हैं? एक 4-5 साल का बच्चा कोई जादू की छड़ी नहीं है जो आपने घुमाई और बच्चा एकदम चेंज हो गया. आप जब 4 या 5 साल के थे तब का समय याद करिए. You have grown smarter, wiser, intelligent over the years. उस बच्चे को भी तो उतना समय दीजिए. And one request before I go, stop comparing. आपका बच्चा यूनिक है, इंडिविजुअल है. अपने ही 2 बच्चों में भी कंपैरिजन मत करिए. कहीं ना कहीं आप उस बच्चे का मोरल डाउन करते हैं. फाइंड आउट उस बच्चे में 1 या 2 ऐसी चीजें जरूर होंगी जो उस बच्चे को स्टैंड अपार्ट करेंगी. हो सकता है बहुत अच्छा स्पोर्ट्समैन निकले. आज अगर सचिन तेंदुलकर के फादर ये पीछे पड़ते कि उसको सिर्फ एजुकेशन चाहिए तो हमें सचिन तेंदुलकर नहीं मिलता. So give your child the platform जिसमें कि वो अच्छा करे. आने वाले समय और आज के समय में बच्चे का लाइफ में अच्छा करना जरूरी है. जो भी करे, whether he or she becomes a scientist, a teacher, a musician, a painter, a sports person, स्टार्टअप, ही और शी डज अ स्टार्टअप, जो भी करे अच्छा करे और अच्छा करने के साथ साथ ट्रस्ट इन द वैल्यूज, एक अच्छा इंसान भी बने. If you have these, your child is taken good care of. Thank you, children. Good luck with your children. Have a nice day and enjoy the function by these students.
कोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. इस पवित्र श्लोक के साथ हम आज के इस शुभ कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं. सबसे पहले हम सब मिलकर भगवान श्री गणेश का समर्पण करते हैं, जो विजडम, प्रॉस्पेरिटी और न्यू बिगिनिंग्स के देवता हैं. As we all know, Lord Ganesh is known as बुद्धि प्रदाता, the giver of wisdom. इसलिए किसी भी मंगलमय कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत गणेश वंदना से की जाती है. This performance is choreographed by our dance teacher Abhijit sir and Tanushree, that is myself, and the participants are Priyanshi from senior KG, Tanya Singh from senior KG, Manashwi Kashyap from senior KG, Prakul Srivastava from senior KG, Shivansh Verma from junior KG, senior KG, and the junior KG class Ashish Soni, Aparajita Bhatt, Rajit Vaish, Ekant Soni, Rudraksh. So let us applause. Please clap for them. Ganpati Bappa.
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. से करेंगे जो है दिल ने कहा कि साडी तू साडी जान तू साडी शान तू
who has had medical camp in our school Kirti Center. I would request Dr. Preeti Maurya ma'am to guide us and say something on our topics. Please ma'am, please come on the stage. Please clap for Dr. Preeti Maurya ma'am.
नमस्कार एवरीवन। सबसे पहले वाव, कितना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस था। आई एम अमेज्ड टू सी हाउ टीनी चाइल्ड्स आर परफॉर्म वेरी वेल। सो आई एम माई हार्ट इज बीटिंग राइट नाउ। थक 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 आई एम वेरी रियली वेरी अमेज्ड टू सी ऑल चाइल्ड। So thank you so much Kirti Center for inviting me for a beautiful performance by the younger one. And परिवार को पाठशाला, परिवार को बोलते हैं कि ये प्रथम पाठशाला है। तो अगर इस स्कूल की बात करें तो किर्जी जो है ये एक ऐसा स्कूल है जो परिवार है। यहाँ का जो पढ़ाई का इनिशिएशन है बिल्कुल परिवार की तरह है और यहाँ के टीचर भी फैमिली मेम्बर्स की तरह है, क्योंकि हमारा बच्चा हमारे घर के माहौल से निकल के स्कूल के माहौल में आ रहा है। वो उसे एडजस्ट कर पाता है कि नहीं, वो डरने से नहीं लग रहा है, स्कूल में रह पा रहा है कि नहीं। तो किर्जी एक ऐसा इन्वायरमेंट देता है बच्चों को कि वो पढ़ाई भी कर लेते हैं और उन्हें घर जैसा माहौल भी मिल जाता है। शुरू में तो बच्चे लगते हैं कि नहीं, हमने स्कूल में ड्रॉप किया और रोना गाना शुरू किए, बट यहाँ एक ऐसा माहौल मिलता है बच्चों को पढ़ाई के साथ साथ लर्निंग का, सीखने का भी। बहुत सारे मेरे पेशेंट हैं, वो मुझसे पूछते हैं कि मैडम व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट एज, किस उम्र में बच्चे को स्कूल में डालें। ये आप लोगों की भी क्यूरियोसिटी होती है कि किस उम्र में डालें। और हमारा पहला फोकस बच्चे का ये नहीं है कि हमें उसे पढ़ाना है, उनके शारीरिक और मानसिक दोनों के विकास का ध्यान देते हुए। तो इसमें क्या है कि किर्जी एक ऐसा स्कूल है जो सिर्फ पढ़ाने पर ही विश्वास नहीं रखता, बच्चों के ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट हुआ, उनके एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप वो क्या सीख रहे हैं। जैसे बताया सर ने कि स्केचिंग, तो स्केचिंग से आपको घबराना नहीं है कि स्केचिंग बच्चा से स्केचिंग कर रहा है। स्केचिंग इज फॉर फाइन मोटर डेवलपमेंट। जब बच्चा पहले स्केचिंग सीखेगा तभी वो राइटिंग पे आ पाएगा। तो और हमारे सामने अंजना मैम ने भी बताया कि आज की डेट में सिर्फ पढ़ाई का ही एक्सपोजर नहीं होना चाहिए, उनकी वो स्पोर्ट में जा रहे हैं या वो कोई एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर कर रहे हैं या फोक में जा रहे हैं, डांस में जा रहे हैं, पेंटिंग में जा रहे हैं, तो उनको जाने दीजिए। हाँ, सबसे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़, उन्हें रोकिए नहीं, करने दीजिए। ठीक है, यही उम्र है, तो बच्चों को बच्चे रहने दीजिए और उन्हें ग्रो करने दीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
Our tiniest thalaiwas are about to come on Chennai Express and explore the stage. Our 3 to 5 year old bosses decked in lungis, goggles and full thalaiva swag are ready to mash up lungi dance with Poonam ki Chandni moon magic. And our participants are Tuika from playgroup, Arya from playgroup, Dikshita from playgroup, Radha from playgroup, Akshita from nursery, Pratma from nursery, Shrihan from playgroup, Adarsh from playgroup, Shafat from playgroup, Malveer from playgroup, Anirudh from nursery, Meet from nursery. Please give a big hand for them.
आजा इधर
from Uttar Pradesh Police LIU Kashi Zone, Shri Ganesh sir, please come to the stage and tell us about Uttar Pradesh Police, which is doing fantastic work in keeping us safe and is changes the image of Uttar Pradesh. Ready to feel the vibrant spirit of Punjab as our amazing students bring the stage alive with a spectacular bhangra and with the performance, joy and courage of culture of India. न तलवार को धार से न गोलियों की बौछार से आज ये मन, क्योंकि अब जो होने वाला है वो कोई और डांस नहीं बल्कि खुशियों का एक बड़ा धमाका है। तैयार हो जाइए उत्तर भारत को उस मिट्टी की खुशबू महसूस करने के लिए जहां जोश रंगों में दौड़ता है और भांगड़ा सांसों में बसता है। आज हमारे ये गबरू और मटियारे अपने एनर्जी से इस हॉल का तापमान 100 डिग्री तक बढ़ाने आ रहे हैं। And this is choreographed by Abhishek sir and Aishwarya ma'am, and the participants are Aparajita Bhatt from Junior KG, Samriddhi Soni from Junior KG, Viraj from Nursery, Athar from Nursery, Safi from Nursery, Hania from Nursery, Samriddhi Ghosh from Nursery, Pratap from Nursery, Vidhi More from Nursery. Please give a big hand for them.
Wonderful experience here. It was the basic foundation for my academic excellence, and I have enjoyed a lot in the school. For the 3 years I have stayed, I have learnt a lot. This was the foundation for what I am now. Today, I am a passionate finance student in grade 11 in Crimson World School, and Kidzi is something that made me stand here. And I thank all the teachers and staff of Kidzi for teaching me and other students that are going to be at a very good position in future. Thank you.
Student, please come on the stage. Adya Jain, please come on the stage. Adya Jain, please come on the stage.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Abhula Singh. Currently I am studying in Guru Nanak with Bio as my stream. I've been a Kidzi alumni before. The roots of growth begin in the smallest classrooms. Respected director sir, dedicated teachers, and a wonderful sea of parents joined here today. A very warm welcome to all of you. Standing on the stage after 13 years is a deeply meaningful moment. Kidzi Central Nadi Indi was more than just my first school. It was the foundation that prepared me for a better future. I spent 3 wonderful years here, from 2011 to 2014, and what I remember most is the homely environment. It never felt like a rigid institution, it felt like a second home, where I was nurtured with love and care. I owe a great deal to my class teacher, Ms. Shruti ma'am, my favorite mentor and my constant supporter. I also remember being incredibly nervous before performing, but my sir, Krishna sir, motivated me to find my courage. I was actually one of the lucky participants in the first annual function of Kidzi Central. From the joy of the Bandhan Madari show to creative classroom activities, Kidzi turned every lesson into a growth opportunity. As you can see, I still have my album from the Kidzi. I still treasure these photos with Shruti ma'am as a reminder of how this school nurtured my potential. To the students here, embrace every moment because Kidzi is building the leaders you will become tomorrow. Thank you for giving me the best possible start. Thank you.
Thank you so much, program. Please clap for them. Please clap. Please clap for them.
भाई पीछे आ जाओ थोड़ा, भाई थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ।
तेरी मैं तो जागा न पावा अखियां बिचों लंदियां बरसातां सारे गिनगिनियां च तेरी मैं तो जागा न पावा अखियां बिचों लंदियां बरसातां न पावा तेरी मिठियां बातां न पावा अखियां बिचों लंदियां बरसातां
rhythm and the traditional sound of the dholki. Our tiny stars are here to bring you a dance form that is the pride of Marathi culture, the Lavani. Top of all, what better way to celebrate than with this iconic song, Vajle Ki Bala. Lavani is a traditional dance. Please put your hands together for our adorable toddlers as they take the stage with their colorful outfits and sparkling smiles. The presentation is choreographed by Abhishek sir and Sister Chaurasia ma'am. And our participants are Anvi from Junior KG, Akshat from Senior KG, Salim from Senior KG, Fahad from Senior KG, Ayash from Senior KG, Umar from Senior KG, Minan from Senior KG, Alishba from Senior KG, Varanya from Senior KG, Zisha from Senior KG, Vidya from Senior KG, Ahana from Senior KG, and Anaika from Senior KG. So clap your hands and sit tight as the curtain raises. Please put your hands together, everyone. Please clap for them. Please come on the stage.
Good evening, respected principal, teachers, and everyone out there. My name is Adya Jain, and today I'm going to take you on a little journey. My very first school, where tiny me with tiny steps and a big smile learned how to walk, fall, get up, and believe in myself. With tiny steps and little fear, I came to the school for the first time here. Big school gate and classroom small, new faces, new friends, I remember them all. Rhymes, numbers, colors bright, हर दिन लगता था fun and light. Crayons, papers, glue and play, little dreams grew every day. Morning prayers clap so loud, uniform पहने feeling proud. Jump and run, laugh and cheer, school felt happy year after year. This school taught me how to try, how to dream big and reach the sky. It taught me kindness, love and care, and to always be honest and fair. So, to the little kids sitting here today, smile, learn and enjoy every day. Be kind, be brave and follow the rule, because magic begins in your first school. One day, you will stand here proud and cool, with shining eyes and hearts so full. एक दिन तुम भी कहोगे loud and cool, my journey began in this lovely school. Thank you.
Saji saji dekho mere piya ke saamne ji
welcome to the stage our very own talented alumni student. Let's have a huge round of applause for our ex-student of Kidzi Center, Miss Nehal Gupta. Please come on the stage, Miss Nehal Gupta. Please clap for them.
Hello, good evening everyone. I am Nehal Gupta, an alumni of Kidzi Central. Standing here today, it's hard to believe that a few years ago I was playing where these munchkins are, probably with paint in my hands and a million questions in my mind. My mother tells me how I came here, crying in my initial days. But Kidzi did not teach me ABC. It laid a strong foundation to my future. The teachers here, who are my second parents, have a special magic, who understood me without me speaking. The ambience of Kidzi sparks me to go to school every day and to enjoy learning. It's just like a home away from home. As a wrap-up, I want to say a more personal thank you to the teachers who were always with me, from wiping away my tears to celebrating my smallest wins like gold medals. And a special thank you to Sonal sir, who always took backstage and made learning a piece of cake. Thank you so much, sir, for inviting me and be the part of this prestigious event. Thank you.
Please give a big hand for her.
on my first and favorite school, Kidzi Central. This school connects us with our culture along with our education. Kidzi Central was like second home to me. It was a vibrant पाठ पढ़ाते, नई नई बात सिखाते। ज्ञान का खजाना है स्कूल, मैं कैसे जाऊं इसको भूल। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।
Our next performance is English song. Today we are not just performing a song, we are sharing a message. We live in a world that often tells us to fit in, but believer is about standing out. It's about taking the pain and the rain in our lives and using them as fuel to reach our goals. As we perform, I want you to think about what makes you a believer. Is it your dreams, your hard work, or your refusal to give up? This one is for the dreamers and the achievers, and it is choreographed by Abhishek sir and Mahima ma'am. And our participants are Toika from playgroup, Arya from nursery, Dikshita from playgroup, Vidhi from nursery, Sia from nursery, Akshita from nursery, Dhanya from nursery, Shihan from PG, Manveer from PG, Adarsh from PG, Ira from nursery, Kabesh from nursery, Athar from nursery, Meer from nursery, Viraj from nursery, David from nursery. Please give a big hand for them. Please give a big hand for our tiny tots.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm tired of the tired of the way the things are been. The way the things are been. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. The master of my sea. I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took me, shook me, killing me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the.
speak no evil. बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत बोलो, and बुरा मत सुनो. It's a famous moral lesson attributed to Mahatma Gandhi, often associated with the three wise monkeys, promoting positivity by avoiding negative inputs and actions. Now, ये fourth monkey क्या है? Can you guess? Once a utility, now a problem. Addiction है ये मोबाइल फोन.
अरे
Kids
बैटरी
and
चार्ज करने की
adults
व्यवस्था
all
ऊपर है क्या?
stuck like glue. फेविकोल से चिपक जाते हैं.
बैटरी
बच्चे,
बैटरी
बूढ़े,
बैटरी बैटरी
सब
लगाने का
चिपके
चार्ज
जैसे
करने का।
एक मैग्नेट. नाश्ता
सामने आओ तो।
डिनर स्क्रीन पे. मोबाइल की बैटरी लो और नो. पैनिक अटैक मोड ऑन. रियल फ्रेंड्स कॉल ना. स्क्रॉल रील्स सुबह से शाम. अभी है हमारा बॉस. So today we will spotlight the modern mischief, those sneaky mobile phones. So मोबाइल को पॉकेट में रखिए जनाब and watch 6th performance, the 4th बंदर. And this is choreographed by Abhishek sir, Tanya ma'am and Sister Chaurasia ma'am. And the performers are Junior KG, Ashish Soni, Anvi, Aparajita, Anshika, Samriddhi Soni, Yuvraj, Arav, Gauransh, Rudraksh, Rajit and Ekansh. Please clap for them. Please give a big hand for them.
बुरा मत बोलो, बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत सुनो. अब और एक बंदर है, मोबाइल वाला बंदर, जो कहता है किसी को ना देखो, किसी को ना सुनो, किसी से कुछ ना बोलो. और ये बंदर आप सबके घर पर राज कर रहा है और हमारी ही नजर के सामने हमारी पूरी जिंदगी बदल रहा है. सही कहा ना?
सर
नजर के सामने जिगर के पास. नजर के सामने जिगर के पास कोई रह जाए वो तुम.
आज कोई इसके बिना न जी सकता है, न खा सकता है, न पी सकता है. और इतना ही नहीं, इसके बिना तो किसी का वजूद ही नहीं रहा. मोबाइल तो जैसे सबकी जिंदगी बन गया है, कुछ इस तरह.
हम तेरे बिना अब रह नहीं सकते. तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा. हम तेरे बिना अब रह नहीं सकते. तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा. तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा. क्योंकि तुम जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो. चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो.
बाप रे, इसने तो हद ही कर दी है. सबकी नींद चैन सब चुरा लिया है. भाई साहब, अब जरा चैन से सोने तो दो.
मैंने तुझको देखा, तेरी और दिल फेंका. परी तू है दिल की, कहना ही नजरों का. मैंने तुझको देखा.
बड़े हो या छोटे, सबको एक ही चीज पसंद है, वो है यह उल्लू बनाने वाला मशीन। तो भी इसके अलावा और कोई चीज पसंद ही नहीं आती। क्या मस्त चीज है ना? सबको जैसे चाय की लत लगती है, कॉफी की लत लगती है, वैसे ही मोबाइल की भी लत लग गई है। आजकल के सभी इंसान, चाहे बड़े हो या छोटे, बूढ़े हो या जवान, सबको लगता है जैसे मोबाइल के बिना कोई जिंदगी ही नहीं रही। आपको भी लग गई है ना यह पूरी लत?
Pratyush Singh, please come on the stage.
हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज मैं पहले तो आप सबको एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ। आज मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि हम लोगों की जो अनाज उगता है उसका बंटवारा कैसे होता है। तो पहले तो भूमि से 4 अंगुल ऊपर भूमि का, फिर डाली के नीचे का पशुओं का, और उसके बाद डाली से अनाज को अलग करने के बाद एक मुट्ठी अनाज पक्षियों का, फिर एक अनाज का गूथा हुआ आटा, एक मुट्ठी मछलियों का, फिर उस आटे की पहली रोटी गौ माता की, घर की पहली थाली सबसे बड़े की, फिर हमारी थाली, फिर आखिरी रोटी कुत्ते की। ऐसा है हमारा अनाज का बंटवारा। तो अब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि इतना बड़ा बच्चा इस स्टेज पे क्या कर रहा है। तो मैं बता दूं, पहले तो बड़ों को प्रणाम और छोटों को प्यार। तो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि आई वुड लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। आई एम प्रत्युष सिंह, प्राउड टू बी एन ex-Kidsian, and today I would like to express my greetings towards my teachers and school authorities, and I cannot tell you how much I feel, how much good was feeling over studying in Kidsi. So today I would like to share some good moments here in the stage. So first of all, I would like to share that I studied, learned calligraphy and cursive writing in Kidsi, and I love to play with the other kids, and there was celebration for all the festivals, for Christmas, Diwali, Eid, Holi, for every festival there was a celebration. So that was the thing I loved here, and I like to study here. I want to go back in time and study here once again. So आज मैं अकेला नहीं आया हूँ यहाँ पे, मेरे कुछ दोस्त भी हैं, सिद्धार्थ और रियांश। I would like to call them on the stage, and हम लोग इतने दिनों बाद मिल रहे हैं, इसलिए we will sing a song. आज हम लोग गाने वाले हैं ये दोस्ती। ये दोस्ती दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे तेरी जीत तेरी हार मेरी हार सुनना मेरे यार तेरा गम मेरा गम तेरी जान मेरी जान सुनना मेरे यार जान से भी खेलेंगे तेरे लिए ले लेंगे सबसे दुश्मनी ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे थैंक यू
Move to the next one. Our next performance is the Rajasthani puppet dance. Khamba Gadi. Did you know the word Katputli comes from two words? Kat means wood and Putli means doll. But today these dolls are not made of wood. They are made of pure cuteness. With their colorful outfits and rhythmic steps, they are here to recreate the ancient art of the Bhat community. Watch as they dance to the rhythmic beats of the dholak.
पीछे आ जाइएगा।
Stage is set, the strings are ready, and our little puppeteers are all geared up. Let's watch and enjoy. And this is presented by Abhishek sir and Tanya ma'am. And our participants are from Junior KG, Rudraksh, Ashi, and from Senior KG, Abhi, Prakul, Fahad, Varanya, Tanya, Priyanshi, Vinay, and Manasri. Please give a big hand for them.
जाओ जी मन दीद कराओ जी रात क्यों तरसावे हो मन सकल दिखाओ जी हर शरारत सब जानू मैं तो धरी हर चले उन बंगा जी मैं कर लगे मर टुकड़े में जागी दो कनी गंगा में थारी चांदनी पड़ता मन में बात एक सीरे झुम 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 हमारे टुकड़े में जागी दो कनी गंगा में थारी चांदनी पड़ता मन में बात एक सीरे
जलेबी। अरे नहीं भाई, मैं बात कर रही हूँ गुजरात की, जहाँ की मिट्टी की खुशबू और ढोल की थाप पर पूरी दुनिया थिरकती है। सो तैयार हो जाइए, क्योंकि अब मंच पर आने वाला है डांडिया का शोर, रंग बिरंगी केड़िया और चनिया चोली का जलवा, जहाँ ए हालो सुनते ही पैर अपने आप थिरकने लगते हैं। और मस्ती डबल, दूध पीते माखन चुराने वाली नौटी लीला। पेरेंट्स जी, अपने सुपरस्टार को चीयर तो करो। Nursery, Garvit from nursery, Ida from nursery, Athar from nursery, Yuvraj from junior KG, Anirudh from nursery, David from nursery, Viraj from nursery, Anya from nursery. Please give a big hand for them.
जगह दे दीजिए, जगह दे दीजिएगा, इधर चाहिए, इधर चाहिए। मैम फोन नीचे करिए थोड़ा, मैम। अरे थोड़ा
जी 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 बाजे रे ढोल बाजे।
Kawali by Cuties, Cuties, Sardi Ka Sitam. As we sail ahead and witnessing the rainbow performance of Tiny Tots, next down the lane is Kawali by Cuties. अरे भाई मेरा रुमाल कहाँ गया? क्या आप सोच रहे हैं ये अचानक मुझे रुमाल क्यों याद आ गया? Ladies and gentlemen, do you feel that? The cold wind is blowing, the blankets are falling, and the sun is hiding like it's playing a permanent game of hide and seek. भाइयों और बहनों, this 2025 winter chill, the most terrifying sound in the world is not a ghost, it's the sound of a geyser turning on. Exactly. For our little ones, the struggle is real. It's a daily battle. Nahao ya na nahao, this is a big problem. And then there is a pressure to study when your fingers are too frozen to hold a pencil. It's a classic tug of war. On one side, we have the supreme commanders, the parents, with warm sweaters and nice homework. And on the other side, we have the blanket brigade, our adorable toddlers. So to settle this cold conflict once and for all, we have a very special performance. It's rhythmic, it's dramatic, and it's packed with toddler swag. Get ready for a winter show like no other. A unique one with their caps on and their claps ready. Please welcome our little kawas at the present Sardi Ka Sitam, Kids versus Parents. And
the grand finale. Get ready for your spectacular musical mashup, where our tiny stars will bring together every beat, every rhythm, and every smile from today's journey. Fasten your seatbelts for this final explosion of talent. Audience, please put your hands together for our little wonders as they take the stage for one last deep-taking performance. Let's hear it for them. And it is choreographed by our dance teacher Abhishek Shah. Please clap for them.
आप बैठ जाइए बैठ जाइए बैठ जाइए। ये बाबू पीछे से रहो, पीछे से ही रहना, पीछे से ही। ए सुल्तान, पीछे आओ। उसको नीचे उतारो, उसको नीचे उतारो।
And guest of honor for their presence and inspiring words. Kids leadership express gratitude to our school management, Kids central directors for their vision and support. Teachers and staff acknowledge the sculptor of character, the teachers and the choreographers who spent weeks preparing the numbers. The parents, thank you the parents for their unwavering support and for being the mind beneath their children's wings. Behind the scene team, don't forget the technical crew, stage decorators and support staff who ensured the event ran like clockwork. Nagri Natak Mandali Trust a special thanks. Lastly, thank you to all the department, sound and light service providers. With gratitude in our hearts, we thank each one of you for making the annual day a grand success. We look forward to welcoming you back again with the same vigor and spirit. Until then, take care and goodbye. We meet to part and part to meet. Jai Hind. Thank you everyone. Parents are requested to pick up your child by showing the card to the teachers. Please pick up your child at the backstage.
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि